Hello friends, I am Twinkle. Welcome to my channel HD Creation. Today we are going to make a relief painting. I will show you step by step how to make a relief painting. You can see in a painting how beautiful it looks. Relief painting is basically a three-dimensional painting. So let's start.
For making a paste, we require marble powder, 2 empty cups and a FEVICOL. I have taken a gravel art marble powder because I have found it a finest powder. Now to 1 cup add a 2 spoons of a marble powder. To another cup add a 2 spoons of a FEVICOL and add some water to a FEVICOL. Now make a slurry of a FEVICOL and water and pour it into a marble powder and make a smooth paste of a marble powder and a FEVICOL. Now take a canvas board or you can take a ply board. Apply this paste on a canvas board and make a smooth surface of a canvas board. For spreading a paste, I have taken a old ATM card. Spread it uniformly and make a smooth surface. If you found your texture surface is not very smooth, then wet your finger and apply it on the texture surface. Now make a texture cone. I will give you a link in a description box for making a texture paste cone. Now after a hour your texture surface is completely dry. By taking a sandpaper, smoothen the surface. Now by using a carbon paper, stencil the design on a texture board. You can see the design on a texture board. Now by using a texture cone, make a first layer of a texture or a outer border of a painting by using a texture cone. In this way, I will going to make all border lines of a painting. Now by using another cone, which is a diluted cone, the consistency of paste is a dilute in this cone. Fill it with another cone. Now I am going to apply a background color. I have chosen a light yellow color. By using a flat brush, making a background color. Now our background color is done. Now I am going to coloring the painting. I have taken a blue color for a bird and making a shade with a white color. Remove the excess colors with a cloth. Relief painting requires a very small amount of colors. Wipe every time with a cloth. The excess color should be removed with a cloth. Now I am shading the parrot. I have chosen brown color for a stem. In this way, I have painting all stem colors. Remove excess color from the painting every time with a cloth. Now our stem coloring part is done. Now I am going to a flower coloring. I have chosen pink color for a flower. Now on the upper part apply a pink color. Now by taking a white color, I have done shading of a flower. Half part is painted with a pink color and half part is painted with a white color, and merge it well. It looks beautiful and it gives a realistic look to a flower. Now for another flower I have taken a purple color. Using the same procedure of a shading, I have taken a white color for shading half part. In this way, I am going to paint all flowers. Our all flowers are painted now. Now we are going to a leaves. For leaves, we are choosing a green and light green color and make a shades of a green and light green colors. Wipe out excess colors each time with a cloth. Friends, if you like our video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel. Now our painting is dry out completely after a 2 to 3 days. I am using a spray varnish for a varnishing a painting. The varnish protects our paintings. Thank you for watching.